Now I would like to welcome you all, my dear students. Now today uh, we will proceed the discipline brings success. This lesson yesterday we were discussing. The name of this lesson is Discipline brings Now in this lesson we were discussing that one girl, Sweta, her name is Sweta. She was a very disciplined and a kind girl. She was following the teacher's instructions very nicely, and she was very much disciplined in her duties. She was always try to obey the instruction that the teacher was giving to her, and school is a place where she can learn discipline. This she was knowing very nicely, and what she was doing in this lesson we were discussing few points I would like to recall. She sat quietly in the class, obeyed the teachers, learnt her lessons, behaved well with everyone in the class, and had a pleasing personality. Now in this lesson what we had discussed, that she was having a very pleasing personality, means what she was doing, she was doing her work on time, she was disciplined, she was following the rules and the regulations, she was always be quiet in the class, she was obeying the teachers, she was coming to the school for study purpose only, and everybody in the class looked for the Shweta's company. The first and the very important thing, she was kind enough that everybody was means seeking the Shweta's company. Always we will find the company, we will try to find the company of good peoples, we will never go for the bad peoples. So she was good enough. Discipline and obedience are the trait for the characters that help to form an attractive personality. If a person is disciplined, if a person is obeying the rules and the regulations, so everybody will like, and this will be added in the character that a person is having. What is character? Character is the uh, way by which we are uh, telling our views to others, by which we are expressing the emotions to others, we are explaining ourselves to others, the way we are behaving, it will be learned from your childhood. This you can't learn within 1 or 2 days. This is very much similar as the muscle building. How it is similar as a muscle building? Muscle builder will lift the weight, and the muscles which he wants to make, it will come after 1 or 2 years. So that kind of strong person, he can't be within a month or within 1 or 2 days. He has to repeat the exercise, he has to do that thing regularly, and then after he will be benefited. So this is the main thing in our character also. If we are not inculcating the good habits from our childhood, then in our young age it will be not possible to gain the good habits in our life. So this is the big thing that we should learn it. Now from where you will learn it? This is very simple thing. You have to learn all these things from your teachers, from your parents, from your friends, and from the surrounding environment also. And due to this is the duty of we teachers, we parents, that we should give the good environment to our children, good environment to our students, so that they can improve their capabilities, they can think more about their future and for our society. A person which is uh, who is having the good moral character, he is a very kind and a good gift for the society also. For example, if a person is a doctor, if a person is an engineer, definitely he will contribute his work to the society. And how it will come? It will only come with the help of his great personality which he has developed since his childhood. If a person is studying at his school nicely, then definitely he will be a good person, good citizen in his young age. When he will work somewhere, he will join any company, then also he will perform the same thing. If he is disciplined in a school time, then he will be disciplined at the workplace also. If he is disciplined in studies, then he will be disciplined in his work also. If he is good enough in his school, he will be good enough at his house also and at his company where he is working. So everything is dependent. Everything is depending on the way by which we are studying the things. For all these things, all these purpose, in this lesson number 3, uh, God has given us the facilities. Uh, God has given us the facilities. For example, trees, rivers, some mountains, and few creations are there. Few good creations are there. So, if we are respecting these things, then definitely everything will be good. But if we are not respecting, if we are simply using and wasting the items, so this is also our discipline. If we are good enough to save the things, then we will save the trees and the water also, we will save the land also. But if we are not good enough, then we will try to waste it, and while we waste it, then the environment will take the revenge from you. How it will take the revenge? This is very clear. If we will waste the trees, then definitely uh, flood will come or drought will come. If you will cut the trees, then landslide will be there. So this is the way by which we should respect the things. And from where it will come? It will only come with the discipline you have learned from your childhood. If you are not good enough at your childhood, then you will not be good enough at the young age when you will work or when you will act, when some responsibilities will be there on your shoulders. So this is the main thing for everybody, to contribute his good ideas and his good effort to the society. When we are good enough for ourselves, then definitely we will do good for the others as well. Now everybody, uh, now in our society, in our family, wants to be happy. But how it will be? Nobody will be happy if we are not disciplined, if we are not following the rules and the regulations of the nature or our parents, whatever they are telling. We teachers are telling you to study, parents are telling this is not good, that is not good, or Indian government on the traffic rules, they are making some rules for everybody. So what we have to do? We should follow. If we will follow the rules on the road also, then we will happy. If we will listen our parents, then also we will be happy. If we are listening the teachers, then at the small means young age, I am telling you, your homework will be complete, then you will be happy. If it is completed this time, then your work, whatever the responsibility you will get at your young age, that will be completed also, and at that time also you will be happy. So first thing, discipline is everywhere. If we are following discipline, then it will be good. If we are not following, then it will be a burden for us. There are 5 types of pillars. Now, acceptance, willpower. Acceptance means we should be ready to accept the mistakes. For example, if we have done certain mistakes, then this is not a sin. We should tell, yes, I have done by mistake, it is there. So we should be ready to accept the mistake. Second thing, willpower. We should be ready to do the work for others, for ourselves. If you are telling that I will be this type, this kind of person, I want to be like this, then you have to be hardworking and the willpower should be there. Industry means you should give the good company of others, for others. You should tell always good things for others. Persistence means you should stick with your goal. You should tell that yes, I can do and I will do this, and for that you have to do the hard work continuously. Now, self discipline is the ability to control one's feeling and overcome one's weakness. Means one's feeling or one's weakness means what? If you are going to the market, then this is not good to purchase this and that. You should go to the market, you should go to the malls, but your idea should be predefined that for what reason you are going to the market. If you are going for shoes, then don't purchase shoes and chappal and sandal, all these things. What, for what reason you went, do that only. If you are going to purchase pen, then no need to eat samosa and tikya, all these things. You have to do that particular thing. This is called controlling yourself. You are not supposed to waste your time in other things, in other activities. You are not supposed to spend your money here and there, because everything, when you will start respecting, then only it will be good for you and for others also, for the society also. Because if we are telling that um, only 5 minutes it is I can play, this is not good. In the discipline or weakness, this is the main point, that if you are going for playing in the evening, then you should not play for a long time. You should be um, you should clear your mind that this time I have to come, and this time I have to study. This should not happen that your guardians are going behind you to search you where you are. This is not good. You have to come, you have to study, you have to pay attention for your studies. You should play, everybody is playing and you should play, it will be helpful, but you have to control your weakness. Mobile games nowadays, it is very popular. This is the weakness. So if you are playing the game, no problem. Nowadays it is outside very dangerous, so if you are playing the game, it is okay, no problem, but you should give the calculated time for it. If you are playing for 15 minutes, half an hour, or one stage you are playing, then only play for that much. Not, if you are clearing the stages, don't waste your time that 2-3 hours you are spending. It will affect your eyes and your brain as well. So this is the main point, that you have to control your emotions and your feelings. Imagine what you could accomplish if you could simply tell yourself, I am overweight and I must lose my weight. Self discipline gives you the willpower to exercise and lose weight. If anything you have in your mind, that a fat person, if he tells that I have to lose my weight and I am very fat, then definitely he will do the exercise, and definitely he will go in the morning for a morning walk, or definitely he will control his eating habits. So what is this? This is the willpower that you have given yourself. This is the willpower, it is needed always at all the places. So this is what, this is the main thing that you must know about yourself, that what is the weakness and what is the emotions you have to control it, and how it will be overcome. This you must know. Self discipline can empower you to overcome any addiction. It, it can remove the weakness of your character when combined with the qualities of love, fidelity, and hard work. If any weakness is there, for example, if you are sleeping more than the usual time it is given, if you are sleeping in the afternoon, in the evening also, in the night also, in the morning you are not waking up at the right time, this is not good. So this is what, this is the emotion that you have to control. And the weakness will be controlled how? The willpower you will get from within you, from the discipline. If you have to wake up, then okay, then you have to wake up, no problem. That how much sleepy you are feeling, this is not the matter. The way to build the self discipline is like weightlifting. Self discipline will not come to you within 1 or 2 days. It will come to you in a long time investment. For example, if a weightlifter is lifting the weight regularly, he is sweating regularly daily, then he is gaining his weight in 1 or 2 years, as the example I have said just at the beginning of this video. So if you are um, willing enough to gain the muscles, then you have to spend time, and as well as you have to be there for hard work. The same thing in discipline. Every time you have to control your emotions. When you will control your emotion, then slowly by slowly you will be able to control your feelings, and you will be more sticky to the target that you have set. Becoming a good person is not very tough thing. You can be a good person, you can be a good citizen, human being, but achieving the target within the time, this is a tough thing. For example, if you want to be a doctor, an engineer, then within time means within the time limit of your 27 or 26 years you have to be that person, otherwise your time will be lost and you can't be anything in your life. So you have to change your target. So this is the main thing. Discipline self is not curbing one's freedom, rather it is achieving the mastery of oneself. This is the same thing. If we are talking about discipline, this doesn't mean that it will destroy your freedom. Don't think about this, that I can't do anything, can't go that side, I can't go this side, I can't ride my bike like this, and I can't eat that thing, I am not having that chocolate. Discipline is not this. Discipline is not to crush your feelings. Discipline is to improve your self concentration. Eat chocolate also, move like that also, whatever you want, play the games as well, but everything should be in limit. This is called discipline. If you are acting in a limit, then it will be considered in a discipline. If you are playing the game within the time, this is the discipline. If you are playing the game in a mobile also, then this is discipline. If you are walking in a park as well, and you are returning to home in time, then this is discipline. So this is not the crushing of your feelings, but this will tell you to do everything in the correct order, in the correct manner. This is called discipline. Now athlete and a sports person train themselves regularly. One sport person will never be able to run for a long distance with a constant speed in 1 or 2 days. Even we can't do this. They are running regularly to perform for that final competition. It's like that we have to do the same thing. If we are studying regularly, then for what reason we are doing? We have to perform the concept, we have to write the answers on that final examination day. For that 10 or 20 minutes it is. So we have to work hard, and it should be regularly. The main thing, management of time is an important factor of discipline. That I have discussed. Main thing is management of time. Don't think that if we are playing then it is good. If we are not playing, then somebody has crushed my feelings, they are telling not to do this, not to do that. You can do everything, but you have to take care of your time. As I have said, go for playing, but come in time. Play with mobile, but play within time. You are not supposed to give 2 or 3 hours in that. You should be very conscious and very constant for the time. You should not change your feelings. A school emphasizes in practicing punctuality. Time lost can never be regained. You should be punctual. You should not waste your time. Once it is wasted, it will not come again. So it will not be regained. This you have to take care. Now, do today what you have to do today, for tomorrow shall never come. Whatever the thing you want to do it today if you have time. Don't wait for tomorrow. If you will wait for tomorrow, it may be that tomorrow will never come. So you should think about this. Olympic medal was never regained. Now this was the thing, that the fraction of second by this PT Usha, Indian athlete, lost the Olympic medal, was never regained. The time wasted during the studies can't help in the examination hall. The example it is given to you, that once PT Usha was running for a race and she was at the second position in a fraction of seconds, and the time she was unable to regain again. The same thing, if we are studying and if we are wasting the time during the studying, you will feel that I have studied for 1 hour. You can show to others that you are studying for 1 or 2 hours, but the time which you are wasting for studies will never be regained again. So this we have to take care. This we have to think about this. That if we are studying, be constant. We sit nicely. Drink water before that studying time. Eat something before that study time. Don't think about mobile, don't think about friends during that study time. You should think only about your studies at that time, because the time which you will waste will never be regained again. So this is the third lesson in your moral science, and this is the portion of your periodical test. Now 567777, this is my phone number. Feel free to call. If you are having any confusion, if you feel any problem, you can call me, you can discuss with me. Thank you.